हेलो सलाम नमस्ते वेलकम टू द वीकेंड विद बाग पीरज़ादा। नाज़रीन वेलकम कयूं था तव्हांखे। ज़बरदस्त प्रोग्राम आहे असांजो वीकेंड विद बाग पीरज़ादा। हफ़्तो सॼो तव्हां गुज़ारे वीकेंड ते असांजे प्रोग्राम जो इंतज़ारु कंदा आहियो त बाग सां मुलाक़ात थींदी ऐं उन सां गॾु ख़ूबसूरत सेलिब्रिटीज़ असांजे प्रोग्राम में ईंदा, उन्हनि सां बि कचहरी कबी ऐं जॾहिं असां ॻाल्हियूं कंदा आहियूं बहितरीन माण्हुनि खे असांजे शो में इनवाइट कंदा आहियूं त जेके उहो अलॻि अलॻि क़िस्म जा पंहिंजा एक्सपीरियंसिस ॿुधाईंदा आहिनि न उन मां हिकिड़ो अलॻि उत्साह हासिलु थींदो आहे ऐं इंसान खे कंहिं बि माण्हूअ सां किथे बि मिले थो, कंहिं बि ॿ घड़ियूं गुज़ारे थो, कचहरी करे थो त उन मां इंस्पिरेशन हासिलु करणु तमामु घणी ज़रूरी आहे। ऐं जॾहिं इंस्पिरेशन जी ॻाल्हि कजे थी त असां सिंधी नियाणियूं जेके आहिनि न, जेके सिंध में रहनि थियूं, उहे वर्ल्ड वाइड नेशनली ऐं इंटरनेशनली पंहिंजे पाण खे मंझराए वेठियूं आहिनि ऐं अहिड़ो ज़बरदस्त कमु कंदियूं आहिनि ऐं करे वेठियूं आहिनि जो पंहिंजी बेबाकी ऐं बहादुरीअ जी हिकिड़ी मिसाल बणिजी वई आहे। अॼुकल्ह जो दौरु जेको आहे औरतुनि जो दौरु आहे ऐं औरत कीअं सोसाइटीअ में पंहिंजे पाण खे कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करे थी। कुझु माण्हू हूंदा आहिनि जेके मंज़र आम ते साम्हूं ईंदा आहिनि, स्क्रीन ते नज़र ईंदा आहिनि ऐं कुझु माण्हू वरी ऑफ द स्क्रीन रही करे बि एॾो कमु करे वेंदा आहिनि जो पाण सां गॾु हज़ार लखे करोड़े नियाणियुनि जी ज़िंदगी संवारे वेंदा आहिनि। सो अहिड़ियूं ई काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त कमु करण वारियूं लेडीज़ आहिनि जेके हीरोज़ आहिनि असांजे सोसाइटी जो। हीरो इन करे मां चवंदसि छो त जेके उन्हनि जा कम आहिनि न से माण्हू अक्सर ॻाल्हियूं कंदा आहिनि त बाबा माण्हुनि इंसान जी ख़िदमत करणु घुरिजे, पंहिंजनि जो सोचणु घुरिजे, पंहिंजे मुल्क जे लाइ कुझु करणु घुरिजे, पर सिर्फ़ु ॻाल्हियूं करणु जेको आहे उहो काफ़ी न हूंदो आहे, कमु करण बि ज़रूरी हूंदो आहे। त उहे माण्हू तमामु घटि हूंदा आहिनि जेके ॻाल्हियुनि सां गॾोगॾु कमु बि करे ॾेखारींदा आहिनि। सो उन्हनि माण्हुनि सां मिलणु घुरिजे, उन्हनि सां कचहरियूं करणु घुरिजनि ऐं हर नए दफ़े हर ॿिए दफ़े जॾहिं असां मिलंदा आहियूं अहिड़नि माण्हुनि सां त हिकिड़ी नई शइ, हिकिड़ो सिख्या आहे जेका असांखे हासिलु थींदी आहे ऐं इन ई लर्निंग प्रोसेस में इंसान ख़बर न पवंदी आहे त असां पंहिंजी बि ग्रूमिंग करे वेठा आहियूं। सो इन करे पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग जे लाइ ज़रूरी आहे त तव्हां कहिड़नि माण्हुनि सां मिलो था, उहे माण्हू पॉज़िटिव हुजनि, उन्हनि जी अप्रोच पॉज़िटिव हुजे ऐं ज़िंदगीअ में गोल्स हिकिड़ा टारगेट जेके आहिनि उहे उन्हनि जा सेट थियल हूंदा आहिनि त असांखे बाबा हिन टारगेट ताईं हिन गोल खे अचीव करिणो आहे। सो इहो ॾाढो ज़रूरी आहे। इंसानु ज़ाहिर आहे ख़्वाब ॾिसे थो ऐं ख़्वाबनि खे पूरो करण जे लाइ जेका जदोजहद करे थो, जेका जाखोड़ करे थो, उहा बि ज़ाहिर आहे वॾी, पर तव्हांजो गोल छा आहे ऐं उनजो छा फ़ाइदो थींदो, उनजो असरु छा पवंदो तव्हांजे सोसाइटीअ ते, तव्हांजे मुल्क ते, तव्हांजी पंहिंजी पर्सनैलिटीअ ते। सो इन ई ख़ूबसूरत ॻाल्हियुनि सां गॾोगॾु असांजा सेलिब्रिटीज़ जेके हूंदा आहिनि से ईंदा। अॼु बि हिकिड़ी ख़ासि सेलिब्रिटी आहे, पर जेको आहे सो उन सेलिब्रिटी सां जॾहिं असां कचहरी कंदा आहियूं, ॻाल्हियूं कंदा आहियूं त उन्हनि ॻाल्हियुनि में वरी विच विच ते असां म्यूज़िक बि ॿुधंदा आहियूं लाजो भाई जी। सो म्यूज़िक हिकिड़ी आहे रूह खे ग़िज़ा ॾींदड़ शइ आहे ऐं उन सां बि पंहिंजो मूड ख़ुशगवार थी वेंदो आहे। ऐं जीअं त वीकेंड आहे त वीकेंड ते ज़ाहिर आहे असां चाहींदा आहियूं त कुझु एंटरटेनमेंट असांखे मिले। सो लाजो भाई क्या हाल है आपके? कहिड़ा हाल आहिनि? ठीकु आहिनि, बिल्कुलु ज़बरदस्त। कहिड़ा हाल आहिनि? वीकेंड कीअं थो गुज़रे पियो तव्हांजो?
इलाही सुठो।
ऐं अॼुकल्ह मौसम बि थोरो सुठो थी पियो आहे न कराची जो। अञा हालांकि डिसंबर अची वियो आहे, सर्दियूं अञा ताईं कोन आयूं आहिनि, पर पोइ बि कुछ बेहतर हिकिड़ो प्लेजेंट वेदर आए असांजो मौसम।
बिल्कुल, लेकिन कुछ कराची के मौसम का पता नहीं होता, कभी अचानक गर्मी भी शुरू हो जाती है।
हाणे गर्मी न अचे यार, लाजो भाई ये न कयो अला कयो मस्त असांजी गर्मियुनि में जान छुटी आहे ऐं कुछ बेहतर मौसम थियण शुरू थियो आहे। पर बहरहाल उम्मीद आहे, उम्मीद ते जेको आहे सो दुनिया क़ाइम आहे। ऐं नाज़रीन नंढड़ी साई वेठूं था, साई खां पोइ वरी ईंदासीं, इहा ई कचहरी ख़ूबसूरत गुफ्तगू वरी जारी रखंदासीं वीकेंड विद बाग पीरज़ादा में। ऐं असां सां गॾु हुजिजो, किथे न वञिजो, ॾिसंदा रहो असांजो शो। वी विल बी बैक आफ्टर दिस शॉर्ट कमर्शियल ब्रेक। वेलकम बैक, वेलकम आफ्टर दिस ब्रेक नाज़रीन। ऐं ब्रेक खां पोइ हाज़िर आहियूं ऐं बहितरीन जेके असां सां गॾु महिमान हाणे असांखे जॉइन जेका कंदी उहा ज़बरदस्त सेलिब्रिटी आहे। जीअं मां अॻिते बि ॻाल्हि कई त उहे लेडीज़ जेके पंहिंजे कम में तमामु वॾो अॻिते वधी वियूं आहिनि ऐं काफ़ी अहिड़नि हज़ारनि लखनि करोड़नि नियाणियुनि खे इंस्पायर कनि थियूं पियूं। ज़बरदस्त नालो आहे ऐं सोशली एक्टिव आहे ॾाढी, ऐं पंहिंजी फैमिलीअ जो जेको सरनेम आहे, जीअं दाऊद फैमिली आहे, उन सां उनजो वास्तो आहे ऐं दाऊद फाउंडेशन जे तौर ते बि हिकिड़ो वॾो कमु आहे हिननि जे ख़ानदान जो। ऐं इहा पाण बि लेडीज़ ऐं औरतुनि खे एम्पावर करण में अॻिते आहे ऐं औरतुनि जी एजुकेशन जे लाइ बि काफ़ी कमु करे रही आहे। सो वेलकम कयूं था असां तारा उज़रा दाऊद खे पंहिंजे। How are you? How are you? You look gorgeous, Tara.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Have a seat. How are you?
Very well. I'm both. खुश है.
बहुत खुश है. Wow, this is so good. जी तारा. So weekend and we are together. So again we are together, and it's always so lovely to have you on my show. You know, because there are very few people who can talk like what they are actually. You know, there are some type of purity and honesty in your words and in your acts. So how do you maintain कि भाई आपका काम और आपके अल्फाज वाकई में रिलेट करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ? So how do you do that?
Bak, it's really, really lucky, and it's very much a blessing, a barakat from Allah, because if you do what you love and you love what you do, then it becomes, your whole life becomes a personality of it. So whether I'm with friends, whether I'm with family, whether I'm with you, or whether I'm doing my work, it's just nice to be the same person. You know?
Yeah,
it's so much easier. You know, having these masks and facades, it must be exhausting. So I kind of just like to keep it simple and just be me.
Oh, wow. Amazing. A simple mantra it is.
Yes, yes. But I think that everyone will agree with me that Bach is the real inspiration. The way she's building her life, I look at you and I just go, wow.
Oh, wow. Because you inspire me a lot. And, you know, just tell me from the start. I want to know, and I want people to know, when exactly you feel that you are going to do something like that, which is for a great cause of humanity.
So, Bach, everything we do, I know what I do and certainly what you do, is all for Allah. So the idea is that, like right now, we're doing on December 28th a breast cancer powwow. And so everyone's doing breast cancer awareness events. And we've had 4 breast cancer, every year, both breast cancer awareness events, and we sponsor hundreds of mammograms and so forth. And this year we said, okay, now awareness is there, but how can we get stakeholders in a room and do something the next level of meaningfulness, whether it's to increase awareness or it's also to have an action. And what role should be Pakistan's role globally in breast cancer?
Okay.
Because right now the research is being done primarily on Western women.
All right. But in Pakistan, I would like you to say a few words about that, that breast cancer is a very one of the common disease in Pakistan, unfortunately. So why it is, and what are the lacking points where we lack to prevent ourselves from breast cancer?
So one, of course, is awareness and the idea that you cannot speak openly about it. And that's why, you know, we're having a next level discussion. But when you talked about where do you get your ideas from? Someone says, now it's time to do breast cancer. And we'll be like, okay, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And there were so many awareness events that we said, okay, how can we, as Ladies Fund and Dawood Global Foundation, which you said very sweet words about, how can we make a difference? How can we amplify impact? If you just work in silos, how far can you go? But if you bring people together, then you can go further. And our role would be in amplifying awareness across sectors, as opposed to one group of women. And 2, thinking about action. How do we, as a cohort of stakeholders, get Pakistani women in the global dialogue so that the research is done? Because you know, medically, if everything is done primarily on Western women, then the medicine and the medical suggestions are primarily done that way. And Pakistani women are huge. The numbers are so many millions. And yet the research is not actually focused on that demographic. So how can we play a role in that?
Wow, this really critical analytic vision, which is very important for any kind of person who's going to work for the cause. But again, my question was that
what inspires
what inspired you, and when exactly at what age you start working like that?
So I think my whole life I've wanted to find ways to serve and give back, because Allah has given so much and my family has given so much to me that by Allah's generosity, that now how do we find ways to give back? So even when I was a little girl, I was always trying to do things
Since
to help
teenaging or
Younger.
even before that? All right.
By teenage, I was already doing campaigns and things.
Oh my God.
And by
Oh my
university, leadership in these areas. So it's just something I love. But Bach, just like even when you're on holiday to, let's say, Turkey,
Yeah.
you're still doing beautiful reels and influencing.
That was totally an opposite.
But the thing is, you're who you are. So
Yeah,
whether
yeah,
you're on
exactly.
holiday
Yeah.
or whether you're working professionally, you will gravitate to what you love and what you're gifted at. So similarly, if I'm somewhere, like here I'm on your show and you have vast viewership, and we're doing food rations and wheelchair distribution on the 23rd of December.
Okay.
So naturally I'll say, does anyone want to contribute, whether you want to come pack food ration bags or you want to donate funds or you just want to meet recipients and give them, motivation. You have a platform. So I'll automatically say, Bach, help me get people involved.
Bilkul, bilkul.
And so whatever I do, I think,
and
okay,
people
how
do
does it
involve,
connect?
people do involve. Over here, people are so much in it and very accepting
Yes.
type of behavior and attitude they are. They are very loving, very kind, especially in Sindh. You have been
People
telling
are
me.
the most hospitable.
Yes, exactly.
And the
बाबा
food
सिंधी
is too
माण्हू
good.
आहिनि ई अहिड़ा न महिमान नवाज़ बि आहिनि सो उन्हनि में निवड़त बि आहे प्यार बि आहे मोहबत बि आहे सो तारा जहिड़ा माण्हू जॾहिं सिंध में वेंदा आहिनि सिंध घुमंदा आहिनि त उनखे जेको सिंध मां मोहबत मिलंदी आहे जेका पंहिंजनि माण्हुनि मां पंहिंजाइप मिलंदी आहे सो इहा ई ॻाल्हि आहे जेका सिंध खे वर्ल्ड वाइड इंटरनेशनली हिकिड़ी अलॻि सुञाणप ॾेई वेठी आहे त असांजा सिंधी माण्हू जेके आहिनि वधीक निमाणा प्यारा मासूम मोहबत ऐं कुर्ब ॾियण वारा सो तारा जस्ट टेल अस अबाउट हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस when you went to the Sindh side,
Sindh
different cities
is
of Sindh?
the best. So
It is.
we had gone to Mirpukhas after the floods. I think it was 3 days. And on the roadside, everything's wet and it was flooded. And you had people on the road with, their shirts as tents.
In which year it was?
Just last year, 2 years ago, was it?
Yeah.
So
The
we
flooding
went
year,
3 days after that, right? And we brought 5,000 food rations.
Okay.
And everywhere I went, people, even if they just had a shirt as their cover in Sindh, they said, come have chai with us.
Oh, wow.
Itna bada dil hai.
Bilkul.
So hospitable, so welcoming. And I'm a Memon, so Memons are originally from Sindh.
Yeah.
So even Memoni and Sindhi is almost identical languages.
Similar, exactly.
And so I felt so much at home. Our food is the same, and also you have julas in all the houses, just like
Exactly.
we have to have julas.
The traditional julas.
Yes. And so then this time we keep going to Sindh, and we've been distributing now 4,200 wheelchairs.
Okay.
And just this month of November, we went to Larkhana, your home
wow.
spot,
Oh, wow.
Dadu, Mirpukhas, and Thando Alar, and Thando Jam University as well. And
Yeah.
all these places, we educated 1,200 youth, 50% female,
Oh, wow.
alongside UNDP in green skills training.
And that is a very important point, and I want to ask you, what is the green skills training? But after that break, because we have to take a break. साही जो टाइम आहे साही वठूं था साही खां पोइ अचूं था तारा जी तरफ़ त जेको ॿुधाए पई त कहिड़ी क़िस्म जी ट्रेनिंग इन्हनि ॾिनी आहे सो ज़बरदस्त ॻाल्हियूं आहिनि कंटिन्यू कंदासीं पर साही वठूं था साही खां पोइ वरी हाज़िर वेलकम बैक नाज़रीन ब्रेक खां पोइ हाज़िर आहियूं ऐं ज़बरदस्त कचहरी आहे तारा सां तारा ज़बरदस्त क़िस्म जी हिकिड़ी मां चवंदसि उहा छोकिरी जेका वॾो कमु करे रही आहे जीअं ॿुधाए पई त ट्रेनिंग्स कराईंदी आहे जी तारा वी वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट द व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ट्रेनिंग यू हैव बीन डूइंग
So green skills training is sustainable training,
Okay.
and we did it in partnership with UNDP. So it's also vocational training. So we trained Interior Youth Sindh, 50% female, in organic farming, dehydrated fruit veg,
Okay.
digital e-commerce, in water harvesting techniques, in fuel efficient cooking such as solar ovens and so forth with maple solar, and beekeeping.
Okay.
And all these skills were trained both academically and practically.
Sahi.
And inshallah, we're giving every fuel efficient stove student a free solar oven.
Oh wow.
So they could all start their businesses. And in e-commerce, we train people that if they have a business, how to sell it online.
Oh wow, ज़बरदस्त. अच्छा जीअं त तव्हां ॿुधायो, I would like to ask the question in Sindhi because I want everybody to
please,
understand that
please.
because you are doing an amazing work. त अलॻि-अलॻि जायुनि ते तव्हां जेके ट्रेनिंग कराई हुई इन क़िस्म जी जेका तव्हांजी ट्रेनिंग हुई, ये जेके ओवन्स आहिनि नेक्स्ट टाइम जॾहिं इहा ट्रेनिंग थिए त उहा कीअं माण्हुनि खे ख़बर पवे, तव्हां ताईं राब्तो कनि त उनजी छा का ख़ासि रजिस्ट्रेशन आहे टू पार्टिसिपेट इन नेक्स्ट टाइम इन दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रेनिंग?
Absolutely. हमारा full training free hai. And we advertise in newspaper and regional times.
Okay.
And anyone could come for free and they had to register.
Is there any website of your?
Yes, dawoodglobalfoundation.com, and we called it the Sustainable Shaheens of Sindh.
All right.
And what we did is we made it free and open. You register and you come, and we had a wait list.
Okay.
And even then, we did about 1,300 instead of 1,200. And inshallah, we are applying now for funding to do 100,000.
सही
एक सौ हजार?
1 लाख.
1 lakh.
एक
Okay.
लाख.
1 lakh, my man, is even easier. 1 lakh youth is what
wow.
we want to do.
Oh wow, zabardast.
So-
and when it's are you planning to be happening again?
So we've applying for funding so that we can amplify.
soon as you get,
yes,
you know.
yes.
All right,
And the e-commerce and beekeeping had the most demand, especially e-commerce. And you know, I also am looking for Hamara sponsors and donors to give everyone free laptop.
Oh wow.
You know, right now everyone does it has a
Yes,
smartphone and doing it,
yes,
but we're seeing
Which is
ways
very
that we can
important
give.
to-
Like
for
we're
the
giving ovens to every student of the 300 who did, sorry, the 200 who did fuel efficient cooking are all getting because each student did one course. They did not
Okay.
do all courses.
All right.
So we did 1,200 students, each student in one of 6 courses.
All right, all right. But this is amazing, you know. The idea is so wonderful, and the way you do is amazing. Just tell me one thing: being a lady and being an entrepreneur lady in Pakistan, what exactly you think that the most important things or the tips everyone must have in it?
So let's say you're in Sindh.
Yeah.
Everyone is respectful. If you respect yourself and conduct yourself with dignity, everyone will respond in kind. And what we do is if some people have family or cultural restrictions or segregation, we had some segregated classes. We certainly had in all classes women and men on different sides, but sometimes we had all female classes just to keep everything
Yes,
according
yes.
to
Comfortable.
So just like I'm going somewhere expecting and wanting everyone to respect me, I have to respect them.
Wow.
So I
Yes.
cannot go into Sindh and say, hey, you do it my way.
Okay.
I have to be like, okay, this is hamara niyat. This is hamara end goal.
Bilkul.
This is hamara,
Goal.
you know,
Yeah.
goal, and also mera genuine desire to work with you rather than force anything on you.
Wow.
So we first of all engaged leaders, stakeholders in Interior Sindh, DCs, politicians, academics, and one thing I'm very proud of is that instead of having Gora foreign trainers, 80% of everything was done by Sindhi for Sindhi. Sindhis for Sindh.
Wow.
So classes were conducted in Sindhi, and therefore the trainer payment was done to Sindhis. The classes were in Sindhi spaces. We went to Sindh. The students were Sindhi. And only a couple of things, the speciality was not available by a strong enough trainer in Sindh.
Okay.
So we brought Urdu speaking.
Yeah.
But we made it a point to say
But
this
most
is
of them
not
are
for
Sindhi. Because
80%, everything.
Because obviously, जॾहिं सिंध में इन क़िस्म जी ट्रेनिंग थिए थी त जेके ट्रेनिंग ॾियनि था जेके इंस्ट्रक्टर्स आहिनि कंडक्टर्स आहिनि उहे सिंधी हुजणु लाज़मी आहिनि छो त जेके पार्टिसिपेट कनि था उहे ज़ाहिर आहे सिंधी आहिनि त उन्हनि जी रहनुमाई जे लाइ ज़रूरी आहे त इहा लैंग्वेज जेका आहे अचणु घुरिजे ऐं जीअं त तव्हां राग में बि चयो आहे ऐं ज़बरदस्त क़िस्म जी हिन जी उर्दू आहे थोरी घणी पर जीअं माॻ में बि चयो आहे त असांजो हीउ जेको प्रोग्राम आहे वीकेंड विद बाग पीरज़ादा हिन में लैंग्वेज जो को बि बैरियर न आहे ऐं इंसान चाहे का बि ॿोली ॿोले थो उनजी नियत ॾिसणु घुरिजे त नियत उनजी छा आहे उनजो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन छा आहे ऐं छा वाकई में उहो इंसानु इन क़िस्म जो इन लेवल ते को कमु करे रहियो आहे जो पंहिंजनि सिंधियुनि जे लाइ पंहिंजनि माण्हुनि जे लाइ का रहनुमाई उनजो बास उनजो सबबु रहनुमाई जो सबबु बणिजी सघे सो मुंहिंजे ख़्याल में तारा जेको कमु करे थी इन सां को वास्तो न आहे त उहा कहिड़ी लैंग्वेज थी ॻाल्हाए कहिड़े क़िस्म जो लिबास थी पाए पर जेका हुनजी नियत आहे सा साफ़ आहे ऐं प्योर पंहिंजी सिंध सां मोहबत कंदड़ हिकिड़ी औरत आहे ऐं जंहिं तरीक़े सां उहो पंहिंजे मुल्क खे पंहिंजे माण्हुनि खे ऑन करे थी इहो ॾाढो इम्पोर्टेंट आहे इन करे ई मां अॼु जे शो में ख़ासि जेको तारा खे दावत ॾिनी इन करे छो त तव्हां सां मां मिलाइणु चाहियां थी अहिड़नि नियाणियुनि खे अहिड़नि माण्हुनि खे त ॾिसो असां वटि अहिड़ा माण्हू बि आहिनि अहिड़ा हीरोज़ बि आहिनि जेके सोशली सोसाइटी में कमु करे रहिया आहिनि अक्सर इंसानु तनक़ीद कंदो आहे ठीकु आहे तनक़ीद हुजणु घुरिजे बिकॉज़ द क्रिटिक इज़ वन ऑफ अ हेल्दी पार्ट ऑफ वर्क ऑफ अ पर्सनल ग्रोथ ऑफ कोर्स पर उन तनक़ीद में तव्हां इहो ॾिसो त छा बाक़ी में या तनक़ीद जाइज़ आहे छा तव्हां इन लेवल ते आहियो त तव्हां इन माण्हूअ खे तनक़ीद करे सघो बिकॉज़ यू नो इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू सी दैट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग you know nobody sees that what I am doing everybody focus in what she is doing what he is doing and why he is not doing that and how he is doing like that because this type of judgmental
everybody's
search
watching what you're doing. You're such a big celebrity. They know what you're doing and then they also watch what Bak is doing.
I'm nothing.
You're too interesting. No one's passing that by. But I did want you to say, and you did say that even though mera Sindhi and Urdu thoda weak hai, hamara pura classes in Sindhi.
in Sindhi.
And employment given to Sindhi, hamara regional coordinator, hamara, now we have an office in Larkana.
Wow.
Dawood Global Foundation now has Larkana office.
Oh wow, beautiful. That's so very amazing thing. And you know, just tell me one thing, that whenever you start working like that, and Educator Girl is also your project, Ladies Fund is also one of your projects. And now this type of trainings you are doing. What next? What exactly you think that the biggest achievement in your life is since the beginning?
I think achievements will inshallah still come and the biggest hopefully will come still.
Oh, wow.
But
Inshallah.
we're doing inshallah a fundraiser for Educate a Girl at the British on January 18th.
Okay.
So inshallah for the first time a proper big fundraiser with stakeholders. So I'm very excited. And we have also started Ladies Fund Energy. So hamara
What is
Ladies
that?
Fund hai, but now Ladies Fund Energy is the world's first, pura globe, women engineers solarizing rooftops. And we've also not only done rooftops in Karachi, we have visited, and all the girls are engineers and all certified by NED in solar roof installation as well. And I'm certified in solar roof installation.
Wow, you are.
And we have also gone
I
to
see.
Interior Sindh, Hyderabad
Okay.
and Mirpukas for site visits. And inshallah,
And globally, it's the first time
Yes.
that the ladies are
Yes.
lady engineer are going to be the part of it.
and so we already are doing it. So we had the German government send a delegation. We had ADB in Manila send a Philippines send a delegation. They don't have in their country. The Canadians have met us and said we don't have in our country. Pakistani women are amazing, and we have among our 25 women installers, we have several Sindhi women.
Okay.
Young women, right? And we have ones from Balochistan.
Oh wow.
And I'm so proud of them.
I am also so proud of it. And you know, by hearing it, it feels so much empowered that we are what we have achieved. And since they start, what next you think that the most important thing for women to be an entrepreneur? Because you know, we have trainings, we have all type of organization like Dawood organization. You are also doing a great work, but still there are some ladies in interior side of Sindh who are looking for their education and they have to face a lot of barriers. So I want you to talk about how mentally a woman faces difficulties from the home, from inside the home and from the family members. So you must have seen ladies because you have gone in different cities of the Sindh.
Also, I'm a Memon girl. Itna conservative our families are. We know that, right? when you ask me, kitna saal, what age did you decide you want to do this?
Yes.
Inner. When I ask you, Bach, how did you get this show? Inside you.
Yes.
Itna obstacles, itna barriers, itna negotiation, itna confidence. How much confidence you need? So the main thing that will change, so we don't have to discuss how we can help women will be helping themselves,
Yeah.
is when women decide, Khalas, I'm going to do it. Ye mera business. Now I need help with my logo. I need help selling. I need to learn e-commerce. Everything is now available for women. Women just have to decide now. And yes, we can say culture. Yes, we can say family. Yes, but you, Bach, are a Sindhi woman. I'm a Maiman girl. And both of us are doing things
Wow.
with loving conservative families, with barriers, obstacles.
Exactly.
We're the real example. And you being from Larkana is the greatest example every woman watching the show can have.
And we are
every
blessed
family.
to have an understanding family. But you did amazing that you said very correctly. And I totally agree to you. त औरत खे पाण डिसाइड करिणो आहे त ही कमु करिणो आहे ऐं जॾहिं उहा फ़ैसिलो करे थी वठे त पोइ हर क़िस्म जा बैरियर आसान थी था पवनि हर क़िस्म जे चैलेंज खे उहा फेस करे थी वठे ऐं ॾाढी सुठी ॻाल्हि कई आहे तारा त अंदरि खां ई इहा हिकिड़ी आवाज़ ईंदी आहे केर बि ॿाहिरियों माण्हू अचे कंहिं औरत जी हेल्प न कंदो चाहे उहो पंहिंजे घर जो फ़र्द ई छो न हुजे हर औरत खे पंहिंजी मदद पाण करणी आहे ऐं उहा उनखे डिसाइड करिणो आहे फ़ैसिलो करिणो आहे त मूंखे पंहिंजी ज़िंदगीअ में पंहिंजे ॿारनि जे लाइ पंहिंजे घर वारनि जे लाइ पंहिंजे पाण जे लाइ कुझु करिणो आहे सो इहो फ़ैसिलो पाण ई करिणो आहे इन औरत खे पाण ई पंहिंजी महिनत करणी पवंदी ऐं पंहिंजी मदद बि करणी पवंदी सो बहितरीनु ॻाल्हि आहे पर साही वठूं था नाज़रीन साही जो टाइम अची वियो आहे ऐं ज़बरदस्त ॻाल्हियूं आहिनि जारी रखंदासीं मिलूं था नंढड़ी साई खां पोइ वेलकम फ्रॉम द ब्रेक ऐं नाज़रीन ब्रेक खां पोइ हाज़िर आहियूं ज़बरदस्त कचहरी आहे तारा सां हली रही आहे ऐं तारा जस्ट द वे यू टॉक एंड यू नो आई हैव अ फीलिंग दैट यू नो द राइट नाउ जेके बि तव्हांखे ॾिसनि थियूं असांजी सिंधी नियाणियूं आहिनि सिंधी घरनि में वेठल असांजो प्रोग्राम ॾिसनि थियूं त हिकिड़ी इहा इंस्पिरेशन उन्हनि खे मिले थी तव्हां ज़ाहिर आहे तव्हां ताईं पहुचण जा तव्हां बि ॿुधाया त हिकिड़ी वेबसाइट आहे या तव्हां हितां असांखे कॉन्टेक्ट करे सघो था पर जॾहिं बि नेक्स्ट अहिड़ो का ट्रेनिंग ईंदी आहे जॾहिं नेक्स्ट तव्हां अहिड़ो को प्रोजेक्ट प्लान कंदा आहियो ऐं तव्हां वेंदा आहियो त अहिड़ी का ख़ासि अनाउंसमेंट जेका तव्हां चओ था त उहा कहिड़नि कहिड़नि प्लेटफॉर्म्स ते हुजणु घुरिजे ऐं सोशल मीडिया जा तव्हांजा कहिड़ा कहिड़ा हैंडल्स आहिनि जिते उहे कनेक्ट करे सघनि थियूं छोकिरियूं पंहिंजे पाण खे
Okay, so absolutely. Hamara social handles Dawood Global, DAWOOD global.org or Dawood Global.
Okay.
And then Ladies Fund, LADIESFUND, and Educate a Girl.
Okay.
Educateagirl.org. Educate 1,000 girls.org. We're way more than 1,000, but we keep it that way. And this whole handles will be available. Plus, you keep watching MySpace, TU Dawood, TUDAWOOD. Tara Usra Dawood, and Bach Space, because
yes,
Bach is one of the greatest ambassadors for all Sindh and Sindhi girls and women. Every single girl and young woman watching here today, if she wants to be trained in these skills, to be able to be trained in these skills.
Exactly. त पंहिंजो स्किल्स खे सुञाणणु तमामु घणो ज़रूरी आहे त तव्हां कहिड़ी तरीक़े सां कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करे सघो था ऐं कहिड़ी फील्ड तव्हां उन पासे वञी सघो था ऐं पंहिंजे करियर खे परसू करे सघो था अच्छा बीइंग अ करियर वुमेन बीइंग एन एम्पावर्ड वुमेन यू आर अ एम्पावर्ड वुमेन एंड अ कॉन्फिडेंट वुमेन द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चन यू थिंक यू आस्क फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ every time when you're going to start a new project and it's like a war, you know, every project, every new thing is like a war that tomorrow I'm going to fight for this is a new thing, I'm going to do this. So what's the main question which motivates you and you ask for yourself a night before that new thing?
Not a night before, but
Okay.
I ask, is it worth my time?
Okay.
And is it something I'm excited about? Because a million people, like everyone I meet is like, do this for me, do that for me, including you. And then I'm like, can I do it? Am I going to be passionate enough? Will I be able to do it? Because everything's going to have obstacle, barrier, problem, knocks down. So will I be able to do it? Can I rise and do it? And ironically, things that most people will find easy, I'm like, I can't do that. And other things that people find, impossible, I'm like, I'll do that.
Right.
And not because of the challenge, but because I know I'm capable.
Okay.
Like someone's like, wow, you're taking on this huge project for Educate a Girl. And I'm like, but it's time, it makes sense, and all the pieces, I can picture it. And they're like, but why don't you do something like something else that is simple for people, like language? And I'll be like, but I'm so bad at it. So know yourself, know what you're good at. And so the question I ask
Everyone
myself,
have a different
so the question I ask myself is, can I do this, and do I want to do this, and will I do this?
Which is very important.
Yes, I don't want to. What I don't want to do is waste my time.
Actually, you have done a lot of things, Educate a Girl and empowerment, and now this training.
Ladies Fund.
Which one of this project from the beginning you think was very difficult and was very challenging? But it had
Everything.
everything. Okay.
It hasn't. Nothing drops in your lap.
I see.
I think what was easy.
There must be one thing, there must be one thing that
was
you think
easy?
that was difficult.
Everything was difficult. Everything.
I know.
Everything.
Okay. Okay. Let's give you a situation. Tara. One day you wake up and you are a Prime Minister of Pakistan. What Tara would like to do as a Prime Minister of Pakistan? For the first thing, what would you like to do?
Make sure every Pakistani knows that this nation is the best nation with everything to offer to them. Don't move, don't leave the nation, don't give up on the nation. Instead, know that every one of your dreams can come true in this nation. This nation has enough people to buy your product. This nation has resources to teach you and for you to be educated. This nation has family support, friend support, cultural support, government support, and every one of your dreams are possible here.
Wow.
Don't give up because you go to meet your friends or family or a party and everyone's like, Pakistan
is nothing.
You know what
Pakistan
I mean?
is nothing. Let's leave it. Let's go
Pakistan
abroad.
Zindabad.
Let's
It's
settle abroad.
amazing.
Yes, exactly.
And that's the one thing, if it's instilled in everyone's heart from day one, that their dreams are possible here.
वाह ज़बरदस्त ॾाढी सुठी ॻाल्हि आहे। जीअं अॼु के दौर में हर माण्हू न सिर्फ़ु सिंधी पर मां चवंदमि हर पाकिस्तानी इन उमेद में आहे त असांखे को न को अहिड़ो मौक़ो मिले त असां पाकिस्तान छॾे ॿाहिरि कहीं अब्रॉड किथे वञी सेटल थियूं फॉर मेनी रीज़न्स। तमामु उन्हनि वटि ज़ाहिर आहे रीज़न्स आहिनि, घणा आहिनि, पर तारा जहिड़ा माण्हू जेके अफोर्ड बि करे सघनि था ऐं वञी किथे रही बि सघनि था, का त अहिड़ी वजह आहे जो अञा ताईं सिंध में आहे ऐं सिंध में पंहिंजो पाण खे सर्व करे थी। सो हे माण्हू आहिनि जंहिंसां असांखे सिखणु घुरिजे त कुझु बि आहे असांजी सुञाणप, असांजो जेको आहे असल हक़ीक़त ऐं असांजी वैल्यू असांजी नेशन सां आहे। तव्हां जेको कमु बि हिते कंदव उहो वधीक उनजो इम्पैक्ट पवंदो ऐं तव्हांखे पाण ज़मीर तव्हांजो एॾो सेटिस्फाई थींदो, एॾो सुकून मिलंदो। छो त ज़ाहिर आहे मां इहे नथी चवां त जेके ॿाहिरि रहनि था पिया से के ग़लति आहिनि या कुझु उन्हनि का ग़लति कमु कयो आहे, ठीकु आहे, हर कंहिंजो पंहिंजो नज़रियो आहे, पर जेका मायूसी आहे न उहो कुफर आहे। इन करे चयो वञिबो आहे त मायूस न थियणु घुरिजे। तव्हां सोचो, तव्हां उनखे पॉज़िटिवली ॾिसो त असांजी पंहिंजी सिंध जेका आहे उहा केॾी रिच आहे, पंहिंजी नेशन आहे असां वटि, पंहिंजो मुल्क आहे, पंहिंजी सुञाणप आहे, त छो न भला जेको बि कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ॾियणो आहे, कुझु बि करिणो आहे हिन खे ॾियूं, पंहिंजे मुल्क खे ॾियूं, पंहिंजनि माण्हुनि खे ॾियूं, पंहिंजी धरतीअ खे ॾियूं। सो बहितरीनु इहा ॻाल्हि आहे, तारा ज़बरदस्त इहा ॻाल्हि कई आहे। ऐं हीअं छो त असांजो वक़्तु प्रोग्राम जो मुक़ररु आहे ऐं ऑलमोस्ट इट्स अबाउट टू एंड। ऐं हींअर लाजो भाई साहब सां असां हिकिड़ो सॉन्ग बि ॿुधंदासीं। ऐं तारा लेट मी टेल यू दैट लाजो भाई इज़ एन अमेज़िंग पर्सन। एट अ टाइम ही प्लेज, एट अ टाइम ही सिंग्स एंड इन amazing
But
way.
he's so popular.
Yeah, he is.
So talented. I'm so happy to hear you.
ॾाढा पॉपुलर आहिनि ऐं लाजो भाई जी सिंगिंग खे असां सभु इंजॉय कंदासीं। नाज़रीन, ईंदड़ हफ़्ते वरी नेक्स्ट पंहिंजे प्रोग्राम में वीकेंड विद बाक पीरज़ादा में वरी हिकिड़ी ख़ूबसूरत सेलिब्रिटी सां गॾु मिलंदासीं। तारा जहिड़ा अञा ॿिया माण्हू आहिनि, अञा ॿिया सितारा आहिनि, ॿिया हीरोज़ आहिनि असां वटि जेके अञा अचणा बाक़ी आहिनि असांजे प्रोग्राम में। ऐं मुंहिंजी पूरी कोशिशि हूंदी त अहिड़नि माण्हुनि सां तव्हां सां मिलणा या अहिड़नि माण्हुनि सां कचहरी कयूं जंहिंखां घणो कुझु सिखण खां मिले ऐं असांखे पाण खे बि मोटिवेशन मिले। सो हींअर इजाज़त चाहींदासीं। पंहिंजो खोड़ सारो ख़्यालु रखिजो। मूंखे